So just can you tell me like your dresses?
Jasmine, Princess Jasmine.
Princess Jasmine. Who else we got? There you go. Soldier.
I'm an Australian.
You are an Australian. There you go. Baby Spice. Okay.
I'm a leprechaun.
You're a leprechaun. You recognize? Real fly. You're like in Wonderland. We got some other prizes.
Aphrodite.
What?
Love. She means love, not sex. Love, not sex.
Love or sex?
Love.
Is that?
Granny and granny.
That's a granny. Okay, all right. Okay, you got your everything in there. Wait, this is like the most surprising group here, like squad I've ever seen. Right?
Hindu, right? She's the bride.
She's the bride.
Bride to be.
You're getting married.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry for you. No,
Her son.
I'm very happy for you. Very happy.
He's fucking shit. He's my brother.
He's your brother. All right. So it's a family thing. Okay. Okie dokie. Enjoy like your weekend, whatever it is. Bye. Bye.
Nice to meet you.